Well, I made it to show this house. And now it's time to look for the lockbox. Oh, there it is. I decided I was going to wear my boots. Didn't care what I look like. But this way, I can do this and clean off the front stoop for my client. I knew it'd be like this. It's early. We had a huge snowstorm last night, so it is what it is. There's two reasons why I would be out in conditions like this showing homes. The first reason, well, there's three. It's my job, first off. Second off, I know this listing just hit the market, and I know there's not many other agents that are going to get out and show houses in this crap. It's bad. So if I can get my client in there and they like it and they want to buy it, we might not have to compete against the people who are fair weather lookers. And the third reason is they're a referral. And the last thing I'm going to do is not service that referral the way I would expect it to be serviced. I would make sure that I take care of anybody who is referred to me, because I want more referrals in the future. So it's my job. I want to help my client beat the competition, and I want to do right by the person who referred the client to me.